Hi, welcome to the Pointe Village in Compass Pointe. This community is nestled in Leland, North Carolina, just 10 minutes from downtown Wilmington. The Pointe Village features low-maintenance cottages with lush landscaping and cozy outdoor living areas. This neighborhood features a great location to Compass Pointe Golf Club, Latitudes Restaurant, and the future Village shops. Residents in this community enjoy resort-style amenities such as the resort-style pool, lazy river, wellness center, and the Grand Lanai. If you're searching for an active lifestyle community, you are sure to find it in Compass Pointe. These homes range from about 1,500 square feet to about 4,000 square feet. You can personalize your home in our state-of-the-art design studio to make sure that it fits your lifestyle perfectly. All of these plans feature many structural options, such as an alternate master bath, bonus rooms, and more. If you would like to learn more about the Pointe Village, Compass Pointe, or Logan Homes, visit us online at loganhomes.com.